My name is Robert Morgan and I'm the inventor of a completely non-toxic anti-fouling system for aquaculture's ropes, nets, floats and even living shellfish called Marine Easy Clean. My family's been pearling now for 101 years and the biggest problem is marine fouling, which destroys the life of your equipment, and the offal from cleaning it becomes a nutrient overload on your waterway, which can cause potential disease. The solution is a prebiotic bacteria that forms on Marine Easy Clean's surface, which produces enzymes that break down the glue of marine larvae species, which stop them from sticking to the surface. These same prebiotic bacteria are also consumed by your crop, which for fish gives better gut health, which gives disease resistance. In shellfish, it makes unavailable glutamate available, increasing shell strength and giving it once again disease resistance. So, let's show you the process.
Marine fouling is a constant headache on our farms, destroying our equipment, as you can see here, and even killing our shell. Now here we have a panel that hasn't been treated, but we've treated the shellfish. Run them through a pressure washer designed for these panels at 200 psi, nice and light. And whilst all the marine growth is stuck to the panels, there's nothing on the shell. The enzymes from our prebiotic bacteria have stopped all marine organisms from sticking to the Marine Easy Clean product. Here you can see the panel, everything is still stuck to that, but we can treat the panels as well. Here we've gone from heavy marine fouling to we can wash it all off with a deck hose. After 12 weeks we have no growth on it compared to the first panel and shell where only the shell was treated. Once again you can see how clean they are, and the growth on the shellfish is exponential. That is because glutamate is now becoming highly available because this bacteria over 24 degrees releases into the water past its biofilm, but that is then consumed by the shellfish. Your ropes can be treated, your nets can be treated. This is just a small part of the line, but our dipping mechanisms now means you can run the whole lot through. With living shellfish, they must be dry. So we hang them and just put a fan on them so we can treat the shell and panel together. Next we'll show you the treatment process. We have a simple pot of our Marine Easy Clean, and you can see we just flick the float around. The speed of treatment is the key on a marine farm. Now we walk over, place it in the water, and it's instantly set, ready for work, which will give you the example for that. Straight away we can now bang these floats around, they're on the farm, getting knocked around, and we are not damaging them at all. You can do the panels separately with the shell separately. For doing your nets, we use a slightly wider pot and we just put a rolling mechanism in the middle, and we can just run the long lines or your nets through, which get pushed into our Marine Easy Clean product and out the other side. And then your nets can be moved around without any problem. This is individually dipping the black-lip pearl shell. Very simple process. We dip one side, scrape it, and dip the other. straight into the bucket, instantly ready for someone else to handle. Now we've got dipping the whole panel and shell together. Now you might think this would cause breakages, but it actually is very effective. It is now, once in water, instantly dry. Shell are happy, and we'll show you how easy it is to remove the shell without damaging the wax on the panel or the shell. They come out with no damage to Marine Easy Clean at all. Now these guys are protected by prebiotics which give disease resistance.